Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress in Localhost. First, you'll need to install a local server environment like XAMPP or WAMP. These tools provide Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which are essential for running WordPress. Next, download the latest version of WordPress from its official website. Finally, create a new, empty database for your WordPress installation using phpMyAdmin, which is usually included with your local server package. This sets the foundation for your local development. Once your local server is running, extract the downloaded WordPress files into your web server's root directory, typically named htdocs or www. Then, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress installation URL, usually localhost/WordPress or similar. The famous 5-minute installation process will guide you. You'll enter your database details and create an administrator username and a strong password. This step connects your WordPress files to your local database, making your site ready. With WordPress successfully installed, you can now access your dashboard by visiting your local site's admin URL, often localhost/WordPress/wp-admin. From here, the possibilities are vast. You can install thousands of free or premium themes to change your site's look and feel, and add powerful functionalities with plugins. Start creating pages and posts to build out your content. This local environment allows you to experiment freely without affecting a live website, which is incredibly valuable for learning and development. After developing your site locally, you might want to move it to a live server for the world to see. This process, often called migration, can be done using specialized plugins or through manual steps involving database and file transfers. You'll need to update your database and configuration files to reflect your new domain name. Always remember to thoroughly test your live website after migration to ensure everything, from links to images, is functioning perfectly. This ensures a smooth transition for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.